I want to talk to you a little bit about our new B29 target and the thermal pasters that are in it. So this new target kit includes our upright thermal film, which is a great development that allows you to see a thermal target when the target is perfectly vertical, leaning back, leaning forward from many different angles. You can still see targets when you use the upright thermal film. But let's talk about the pasters that are included in that kit. So there are two different pasters. One is our upright thermal film paster, and the second is the black thermal paster. And the black thermal pasters tend to appear warm, whereas our upright thermal pasters tend to appear cold to your thermal scope. So let's dig into it. Now your different pasters have two different applications. So two different pasters, two different applications. First application is covering up your holes. So you go out, you train, you shoot, you've got a bunch of holes in the target, you want to restore your target, take the paster, cover up all the holes, and now you can start all over again. The second application is creating additional aim points. So let's look at what that means with our new B29 target. So let's say you've been out there training and now you've got a bunch of holes. So you're going to take some of these pasters. So I've got one of the upright thermal pasters. Let's say you have a hole right there. Just place that paster right over the hole. You're good to go. Additionally, say you want to create an aim point. Maybe for some reason you want to shoot right at the head. Well, the head is black. You're going to take one of these gray upright thermal pasters and you're going to place it right there to create your aim point. Similarly, you might have some holes in the black region. So you're going to come here and you're going to grab one of your black thermal pasters. You're going to place that over the hole in the black region. Additionally, maybe you want to create an aim point at the same time. So if you want to create an aim point in the gray upright thermal region, take one of your black thermal pasters, place that right there where that aim point needs to be. So there you go. You've got two different pasters, our upright thermal, which appears cold, and the black thermal, which appears hot. Two different applications. One is creating aim points, and one is covering up the holes. And hey, one quick pro tip. Electrical tape works very well as a black paster, so you can always substitute that if you've got some of this and you've run out of the black pasters. On the other hand, there is no substitute for the upright thermal pasters, and you'll just need to get some more of these to do an effective job. Hey, thanks so much for listening. I look forward to working with you because protecting those who protect us requires you. Thanks very much.